Hey guys, it's happening and I am so happy right now.
What video are we doing?
Huh?
What video are we doing?
We are doing Rain by me, Gina Tay. And it's really sexy. You're gonna feel the vibe, and that's all I want people to do, you know? Make some babies, have fun, get it in there, yes.
You want a break?
Do I want a break?
You good?
Oh, no break, baby, no break. Let's go. Okay.
Then we're gonna just sing this song.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna let you know, I'm gonna cue you when you come in. When you come in, that's what you're supposed to do.
Okay.
So yeah. So Toy, one more time. Alright, stop. Go ahead, Joe. One time, yeah, do like that. Go slow. Grab a hand, grab a hand. Alright, one right here, Joe. Grab a hand, man. Alright, so yeah, so we're gonna do it 2 more times. So let's get the points. So I need you. So Toy, you all got to get all of it. So when you sing this Charles, when you get right here, yeah. Then when you start coming in like right, like you should be barely seeing her, like, you know what I'm saying? Like you barely seeing her. And so like you still kind of walking like slow too, Charles, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? So when she get, you still can like you singing, so you can take your time, you can do some moves, you can do a little move right here.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And then Charles, when she get right here, that's when you can be coming.
So like you're like really missing.
Yeah, that's missing. So, you can kind of like, do your little move, do your little move. Charles, when she got down, get right here. That one got down, you peeping around here, you know what I'm saying? That side, so you should be right here. And then so now, you kind of like, like circle. You just gonna keep them on straight, like, and then you come back and just, sing. Yeah.
So Peachy. It's called So Peachy. So like if during some time you could get some, you can rub it on me or whatever. Just do a little little raffle daffle in there.
Make sure.
Yeah, I told her, I used to be one of her brand ambassadors, and I told her that I would love to, use some in the video. And I'll actually, do that. Have a little fun. So, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. For real. Lord, damn. Scene one complete.
Huh?
I said scene one complete.
Yeah.
Come in and her she is. Like come in, she will be singing the song, and then just like listen to her, like look her in the eyes, like shit. Like, look in the eye like she singing the song. Don't y'all act like the camera in here. Don't even look at the camera. So like man, yeah, and that's it. Alright, stand on line. Put him on this side.
Which one? You on the bed too?
Nah, just stay in the front right
I
here.
got you.
And she's gonna be like, as he coming in, like you like, you crawl up, like you know, see how you been getting right here, and then you sing the song to him, kind of like taking this shit out to the shit. We'll probably look at this stuff. Nah. Alright, come on, bro. Shit them behind us. So you saying that's the same right now? Alright, no retake, so. No retake. Take your shit off.
Did you reach for it?
Yeah, like grab it on. We want you to do first.
You just eat it when you're this one.
Alright, what do you put it down? Walk up to it and grab. Yeah. Alright. Put it on. Put it on. Alright. Now go ahead. Put some mirror out your hand and